Hello fellow rosarians, thank you for joining me today for an unboxing. Today we are unboxing from a new company that I haven't shared with you before. This is Great Garden Plants, and you're going to see a banner up on the screen initially that says that it's a promotion. I received these plants for free so that I could share them with you and show you through the growing season how they look, but I haven't received any compensation for a positive review. I assure you it's going to be an honest review of the roses. I also received from Great Garden Plants a few weeks ago Let's Dance Can Do Hydrangea and Let's Dance Big Band Hydrangea, and I will be sharing with you those plants with you through the spring and summer so that you can see if that's something that you're interested in for your garden. So let's go ahead and get started. For Great Garden Plants, they are not a small business. This is a large company, and if you go to their website, you can buy directly from their site, but they have a lot of proven winter plants. When I was looking at their site, they had 29 rose varieties available for you to check out. The roses that I'm receiving today are own root. Customer service was very responsive. I spoke with them through email. Not only were they quick with their responses, but they were very kind. So let's talk about their warranty. So if it is during the growing season, they have a 30-day guarantee. And so the growing season would be anytime up until fall. But I don't want you to be too scared about a 30-day warranty, because a lot of times you're going to see within that 30-day period if there are issues. We've also bought from other vendors that have a 30-day warranty, and I think Regan comes to mind. Some of our rose vendors have they only warranty it for the day that it arrives, that it's going to arrive in good condition. So don't worry too much about that. But as I was reviewing their warranty, it really looks like the time to buy from them, if you have any concerns, would be fall, because it says that they want you to notify them within 7 days of receiving your shipment if it doesn't look great, if you see any problems. After that, they warranty their fall shipments until May 31st. So if you think about that, not only are they giving you March, April, but May, you're actually getting more like a 90-day warranty if they're going to let you go through May 31st to let them know if there's any problems. So consider ordering from them in the fall. And they're also saying that they need you to ensure that the roses are, or any plant that you buy from them, they will only warranty it if it is within your hardiness zone. But we do that with all plants. We make sure that we're only buying plants for our zone. So what are we expecting here? I'm expecting own root roses that are in 3-inch pots. This would be comparable to quart size. I'll put a listing up for you to think back to the other unboxings that we've done, what we're expecting in this box. So let's go ahead and open these up. So I have 4 roses in here, and they are packed in cartons that are going to make them very secure for travel. So I'm expecting good things in here. And here's the next one. I'm not seeing any soil anywhere. Oh, I have it upside down, of course. Okay, here is one rose. This is OSO Easy series from Proven Winners, Lemon Zest. Oh, and so now this one's upside down, so it looks like they're both facing into each other. Okay, this is OSO Easy Double Red. If you look at their website, they sell their roses individually, but then they have a 4-pack where you can save more money. We'll talk about pricing in a second, but that just seems the way to go if you're interested in having the entire series. Okay, a lot of dirt in here. This is OSO Easy Italian Ice. OSO Easy Mango Salsa. So this one's a little bit larger in comparison to all of the others that I've seen. I'll hold it up in front of my shirt here. They have little tiny leaves, which I am familiar with because I actually have the Italian ice already, and so it just has very dainty small leaves. So plan on that if you get anything from the OSO Easy variety. I'm also looking at how many canes does it have. You know, overall, I want to say that this plant is 9 inches in height, 10 inches or so. And then we have Let me open it up here. Can you see how many canes we have? So that was the mango salsa. Let's get a closer look at the other ones. This is the Italian ice. This one is a little bit smaller in size. The height is approximately 5 or 6 inches. Okay, this is the close-up of the double red. And this one is about the same size as that Italian ice. Okay, and this is the lemon zest. Okay, here is a close look, moving the soil out of the way for the lemon zest. So what do we look for as a reminder when we are unboxing a rose? First, we make sure that it's the size that we ordered. And in this case, I knew that they were going to be small, that they were going to be quart size. And so these are within that size frame. So no complaint there. We look to make sure that it looks healthy. A lot of times they're going to defoliate the roses when they ship them to you because there gets so much humidity in those boxes that they don't want it to come to you with black spot. If it does have black spot, we know how to take care of that. And I'll link a video to how to defoliate a rose. It's no big deal. You take off the affected leaves and it's going to start to flush out again. As long as it's not dormant, it should be about a week or two depending on your zone where you are. We're also going to make sure that the canes look healthy, that it's not dried out. If it does have leaves, if any of the leaves were singed brown, that would tell us that it just got too dry in shipment. You don't want these to dry out. But from my perspective, all of these are nice and healthy and green. I'm not seeing any problems with the canes. I'm not seeing any bugs or fungus. I'm not seeing black spot. These are very healthy roses. So far, right off the bat, I'm really happy. Let's check real quick on the potting material and just see if they're moist. I do feel that they have moisture in here. They probably had about 2 more days or so, maybe even 3 in transit that they could go. So these are very nice and healthy roses. Let's talk real quick about the varieties and then we'll get into the rack and stack and the pricing. So for the OSO Easy Collection, as I mentioned, you can get a 4-pack and you save $19 if you buy it in that pack that they've bundled together for you. These are low maintenance roses on the same line as Knockout. That doesn't mean that we can ignore them, but that just doesn't mean that we have to give them as much care. They don't need deadheading. They're still going to continually bloom if you do not bring out your pruners all season, which is really very nice. These are all proven winter roses, and when I looked at helpmefind.com, they were all rated about excellent. So there are really not a whole lot of negatives, but make sure that you check out helpmefind.com if you're interested in these roses. So for OSO Easy Double Red, this rose earns its spot in the winner's circle. There's so much to love about OSO Easy Double Red roses. Its lush, deep red color, the way the blooms are held on long stems, well above the foliage for a truly memorable display. And speaking of foliage, it's beautiful, lustrous green with excellent resistance to powdery mildew and black spot. So it stays looking good all season. No need to deadhead to keep those beautiful blooms coming also. OSO Easy Double Red Rose is a bit of a bigger plant. It is between 3 and 4 foot tall and wide, but give it enough space in a sunny location and you've given yourself the gift of an easy care rose that you'll love to look at all season. Let's talk about the OSO Easy Lemon Zest. We evaluated yellow roses for years, looking for one that lived up to our demands for brilliant color and excellent disease resistance. This is it. Sunny canary yellow flowers do not fade to white and really light up against the glossy green foliage. It is free flowering, produces lots of blooms which open to self-cleaning flowers. Self-cleaning flowers means that you don't have to deadhead them. Superior disease resistance makes it easy for gardeners to enjoy. It's a winner of the Award of Excellence from the American Rose Society, and the height is going to be 2 to 3 foot, and the width is 2 to 3 foot. Next is the OSO Easy Italian Ice, and this one I know that Garden Answer has. She has, I think, several in a row. This variety rebels against the idea that roses are hard to grow. No spraying, no deadheading, just lots of flowers all season long. Similar to Peace in its coloration, the orange buds of OSO Easy Italian Ice open to soft yellow flowers melting into pink blushed margins. The soft flower color is set off nicely by its dark green glossy foliage. Flowers are semi-doubled with 24 to 30 petals per bloom. It's self-cleaning, excellent disease resistance, abundant flowers, nice habit, making it an excellent plant for home gardeners. The height on this one is going to be a little bit smaller. It's 18 inches, but it could get up to 3 foot. The same for the spread. Okay, last one, OSO Easy Mango Salsa. This Rebel has intense, amazing color, shades of ruby red grapefruit, summer sunsets, and those fancy tropical drinks with umbrellas in them. This is a wonderful choice for mass plantings or adding unusual color to your borders. The height is going to be 12 inches to 3 foot. So it's a big span there also, and it's going to be 2 to 3 foot wide. So let's talk about the pricing. For all of our vendors, when we put together our rack and stack to figure out who has the best price roses, we say, if I was going to buy 10 roses and then factor in all of those discounts that are available to me and the shipping, how much did it actually cost? So if you're looking for 1 rose, just make sure that you're looking at those comparisons and factoring all that in. In this case, we're looking at 10. So if I were going to buy 10 roses from their site, they give you a bulk discount. And then on top of that, there was a discount on the website for fall 20. And so I think you get 20% off. So you guys, these roses are really reasonable. So not only did I get free shipping, so for 10 roses, it ended up costing me $146.12. So that breaks down to about $14 per rose. So when we look at the rack and stack, this is the rack and stack for everybody that we've bought from, whether it's bare root or band or potted or 1 gallon or, you know, all the different sizes. This is everything so that you can see how they factor in. After that, I have broken out just the band size for you. So you can see that their price at $146 is even less than High Country, who has been the most cost-effective way to get our roses until now. So if they have a variety that you're interested in, really think about buying from them. Although it's not a small business, and you know how I feel about small business, I think it's so important to order from them. But hey, if they have a variety that you're interested in, you should give them consideration. So I hope that this video is helpful and this gives you another vendor to order your roses. I hope that you'll consider Great Garden Plant, and we will continue to watch these through the season just like I did with our other vendors so that you can see how they perform in my yard and how they hold up in my environment. So thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next one.